Let me show you what I'm doing today. I'll give you a hint, it has something to do with this. Thanks for tuning in. Jeff Arizona Hot Homestead. And today I'm breaking out the Ryobi 14-inch chainsaw, 40 volter. And we're going to cut down this tree because I'm going to add some more solar and this tree's in the way. So let me show you a little bit. I already got started, so let me just show you what I've been doing so far. It's not green because I've actually taken a couple of days to chop on this. Not because of the tool, but because of me. I just wanted to cut a little bit, especially like after work. This tree here is going, but it's a pine, so I'm just letting it sit for a while. So it actually looks so much better when the bottom half is trimmed. But that one's going, that whole thing right there is going. So all this here is all what was underneath. I'm going to cut down that tree because I'm going to put solar panels right here. And that chainsaw is what's doing it. This is standard. I only got two batteries, so I'm using the 4 amp one now. Say hi, Concho. He's been helping, kinda. Woo-wee! Coming along. That's coming down. I just want to keep it for now. There's another one right there. That'll come down. Because the solar panel is going to go this way. Because the southern sky in the evening is over there. So that's the southwest sky. Tree's been here for a while. I like that the chainsaw is lightweight. You can see how big some of these have been. That one there is going to be fun to cut. That was like, man, I don't know, that's over a foot diameter. That may be 16 inches. We'll find out. My chain's only 14, so. Oh my, look at all of this stuff. Tree is gone. This little bitty 14-inch Ryobi did this. That's how big a couple of these stumps were. Kind of get an idea. They're not huge, but done. And I just cut them all into little pieces, so I did a lot of cuts. Because they're all going to have to get cut anyhow. You can see all the cuts I did. Let it dry out and get firewood. This is juniper. This is called shaggy juniper. because it's kind of a shaggy bark to it. So it's considered a shaggy juniper. And then from time to time, you gotta put more bar oil in. This is just what I use. I actually bought a full gallon of it and I just pour it into there. I just use my screwdriver to loosen. I put my gloves over this so as I go to loosen, I don't bump into it and cut my hand up. So it just makes it easy. Pretty simple. Now, I'm not going to go into how long these batteries last. I'm not going to go into how often I do the oil, because I got a 2.6 and a 4 amp battery and I'm not paying attention. I got one charging. In fact, the battery I just used, it's back on the charger, and yet it still had 3 bars, but the other one's full, so I'm going to use the other one while that one's charging. So I'm just trying to keep them as full as I can. And I always take the battery out. Now I gotta go get it off, one of them off the charger, and put it on there. So whatever the one is the fullest is what I'll be using. So let's continue. Thanks for tuning in. Made some room for some solar panels. Ryobi tool, kicked ass. Ooh, can I say that on YouTube? Kick butt, how about that? So, yeah, I had to charge the 40 volt batteries a few times, but I never really counted how many cuts or anything like that, how long it took or whatever. You know, I had 2 of them and I was just rotating them. And once I would put oil in the chainsaw, then I would take that battery out, charge out, and put the other one on. So it wasn't even like fully discharged. So I have no idea. To me, you're going to need multiple batteries if you're going to use a battery operated chainsaw. I think it only makes sense. So anyhow, thanks for tuning in. See you. Bye. Have fun.